Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I received a CHIC Beauty box, but I just got one. This is the July and August box. It has 5 full-size products, and we're going to jump into a full review and unboxing of everything inside. Now, this is a box that's very different from the Ipsy boxes, and I feel like you get more glam, more makeup, more products that I think are fun to demo, but they tend to be older products. Not in like an old expired way, just in a like, you're not getting a new launch. Like I got the Benefit Fan Fest mascara that just launched in my Ipsy. Don't expect that kind of things out of this box, but you will get some really awesome products from some great brands. So let's jump right in. If that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload twice a week and that'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the July-August CHIC Beauty box, stay tuned. All right, jumping right in. Like I said, this is a 5-product box. And taking a look at it, there are already 3 repeat items for me that I have already owned, used, etc. One I actually received in the CHIC Beauty box. So we're going to jump into that. First, from Laura Geller, this is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in the shade Heart of Gold. This is a repeat from BoxyCharm a very long time ago. It is a beautiful formula. You have a sheer, like, glowy highlight, and you have a sparkly, glittery highlight. Unfortunately, both of them are very golden, and my skin is very pink. I prefer peachy, corally, pinky highlights or something a little sheerer. These are way too golden yellow that they don't look right on my skin. I've had it, I've used it, I liked it, but the color just wasn't right for me. So I'm going to give that to a friend of mine whose skin is much more golden than mine. Next, from Give Them Lala Beauty, this is a Hydro Gloss, and I have not received a gloss from them. I received a liquid lip, but it is a very nudie brown. I'm going to try it and hope I don't hate it. I did not like the last gloss I got from them. The color just was not right. Okay, so right away, it's not bad, actually. I think the color's a little light for me, that it could potentially wash me out a bit, but putting this on like a deep liner or using this to lighten up a color or ombre the center of the lip, I think it could be very pretty. Feels and smells nice, no issues there. It's not super sticky, so I definitely like that. It's not settling into the lines in my lips, and it does look pretty nice. I think it definitely evened out the color of my lips, and I feel like putting this on a nude will really bring my lips to life. But on its own, it does make me look a little sick. Next, from Fenty Beauty, this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. Now, I love this powder. This is not my color. They sent it to me in 180. I wear 200 as my normal shade. I actually have a little bit of a tan. We went kayaking, and I got a little dark. I mean, it doesn't look very dark, but for me, I promise this is dark. And I wear the shade 200 normally, so if I'm darker than 200, 180 is not going to work. So I'm going to be passing on that. Next, from Ofra, this is the Your Best Lashes Yet HD Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to open this up and take a look at the wand. I have not tried an Ofra mascara. I've tried a lot from Ofra. This just isn't one of the items I've tried. Packaging is pretty standard and in line with Ofra. A nice small wand, which I definitely like. And it looks like there's a lot of little spikes. So this is one that I think I would actually enjoy. It's pretty rare that I find a mascara where I'm like, absolutely yes, this is perfect, I love it. And it does say that it's going to be more of a lifting mascara than a volumizing mascara, despite the fact that it's called the HD Volumizing Mascara, because just in looking at it, this is not the brush of a volumizing mascara. This is the brush of a lift and separate. So really excited to give that a try. And the last item is from Masky. This is the Glowy Illuminating Blush Drops in the shade Pink Martini. I've used mud masks and things from this brand. I've never used their makeup before, but it does look like this leaked a little bit. Let's take a look and see how the formula looks. Oh yeah, it definitely leaked a bit. The packaging is very I guess, misleading. It looks like it's going to be like flamingo Barbie pink, but it's not. It is more of a rosy pink highlighter, which, after what I said about the Laura Geller, I am definitely really happy with this color. Like, it is a beautiful sheen, and it's definitely very rosy. I will be setting this aside and giving this a try as well, just because I love the way that this is just glowing on the back of my hand. Ironically enough, I think this might be one of the best boxes I've tried so far this month. I wish the Fenty Beauty shade worked for me, but I will say that 180, it could work as like an under eye brightening powder in the winter or the summer either, but as like a full face of foundation, it's definitely a little light for me. But that being said, I have so many powders and foundations and things that like I mix multiple things. So that might be a good thing to play around with if I need to like use it to set a foundation that's a little too dark and want to brighten something up. I don't know. I'll have to play around with it because now that I'm thinking about it, let's open it and see if it's something we can make work. Might as well try, right? So when it comes to powder foundations, I always recommend going actually darker than your liquid foundation, but yeah, that is way too yellow and a little too light. So I'm going to give that to my friend Liz, who is lighter and more golden than I am. I was really hoping that by opening it that I would have like a this is great and it will work for me. It does not. And anything I open or like I expose to the air, just for anybody who is curious, I will never drop in a giveaway. It will go to like family and friends. Anything that I put in giveaways is going to be like in the box, sealed, never opened, never swatched. Like, I did not try this mascara on, but I opened it, which means I will not give it away. It is for me, or again, friends and family who know the drill when it comes to this. Anything I drop in a future giveaway, which I do have one coming soon, will be sealed, never opened, never swatched, does not see air, does not get opened, does not even get looked at, other than like, I might pull the box out of the packaging, but I'm never going to open the product. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. What do you think about this box, and how do you think it compares to my Ipsy Icon box, my BoxyCharm by Ipsy box, or my Ipsy Glam bag? Because I think this is a really good combination of products, and just looking at it right now, I mean, if I had a different undertone, that Laura Geller palette is beautiful, but other than that, I think this is a decent mix of products. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!